Mortaza here with Heartbeat. I'm going to show you how to create really beautiful banner images inside of your Heartbeat community in your discussion channels. Inside your community, this is what these banner images are actually going to look like, where it's going to be this bright banner on the top right corner. You can add in some text over here as well too. Usually people will drop stuff in over here just to kind of explain, hey, this is the best way to use this channel. And so I'm going to show you how to recreate this real quick. I'm just going to copy this text to make things easier. Now in this second channel over here, I don't have that banner. So I'm going to go ahead and click these three dots over here so I can edit this channel. And then from there, I'm going to go into the channel creation settings and toggle on the display a channel banner option. This is going to allow me to upload a banner image. Now the sizing for these images is we recommend doing 608 by 304 pixels. So again, that's 608 by 304. It's a 2:1 ratio, just to make it a little easier. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this image over here. So I'll go ahead and grab an image from my computer, drop that in. Now I've got that updated, and I'm going to go ahead and just drop in the text that I copied a little bit earlier, so that pops in as well. Once I hit submit, this will go ahead and create my channel banner over here, so I can see that I've got this nice channel banner. One of the common practices we see is just adding in the title of the channel, so it's you know exactly where you are. And then of course best practices is to just drop into the actual description over here how you recommend people engage and examples of what positive and good content looks like.